Hi, my name is Katie Ziskind. I am the owner of Wisdom Within Counseling, where we are a group of 7 therapists that love helping children, depressed teens, young adults, and couples thrive. So this video is for parents of teenagers and teenagers themselves. So teen self-harm, hang out with a bad crowd, try drinking alcohol, use drugs, and partake in other negative behaviors for a variety of reasons. Oftentimes because they have big, intense emotions like anger, anxiety, and loss that they just don't know what to do with. And so they self-harm or cut or do other impulsive behaviors because they just don't know how to release these feelings. So today we're going to make a self-soothe kit where you get a box, a shoe box, or any box that you have at home, and we're going to focus on the 5 senses. So here's a little note of the 5 senses. So we will have, for touch, some dough, Play-Doh of any kind that you can buy at the dollar store or Walmart as a sensory experience. So if there's an urge for self-harm, an urge to cut or burn, or a negative behavior we're looking to stop, we're going to provide an outlet for that feeling instead. Now for taste, we have chocolate. So this can be anything you like, but something that can easily be eaten if a crisis is happening. And this is a less harmful coping skill than self-harm. Now for sight, the element of sight, we have tissues, that's okay to cry. We have glitter nail polish. So this is a great distraction technique that your teenager can use if they're feeling an urge to self-harm. Now for smell, we have mints. So this peppermint, the spearmint smell is incredible for changing those neural pathways and thinking differently and then feeling differently. So when a teenager is about to self-harm, they feel like that's the only way they can feel better. Now this box is to provide other outlets for feeling better. We also have bubbles because I think teens really do well when they take deep breaths. And in order to blow bubbles, you have to breathe deeply. So having bubbles in a self-soothe kit is a great way to encourage mindful breathing, self-awareness, and that connection to mind, body, and spirit in order to feel calmer. I also have crayons or some component related to art and creativity for creatively letting go. As well, we have a loofah for self-care, so showering, taking a bath can be a great way if there's an urge of self-harm coming on. As well, I think it's really nice to add to your self-soothe kit a photograph so your teenager can look at someone that loves them. As well, it can be helpful to add a quote that's very inspiring, saying everything will be okay, or I love myself, or I know I'm good enough and I can get through this. As well, I think it's helpful for teenagers to personalize this box and add things to it when they're calm. So if your teen is calm and relaxed, that's a great time to add something to the box. You can add fuzzy socks or a fidget, a spinner, anything that allows your teen to feel like they can nurture themselves and be compassionate towards themselves. As well, I think it's a great thing to do this when your teen is calm so that they have that skill to apply when they're in crisis, they're chaotic, feeling overwhelmed, or even anxious. So the idea is that we're replacing a negative coping skill with a more positive, self-loving coping tool. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the self-soothe skill. This corresponds to DBT or dialectical behavioral therapy. So we specialize with teens who have depression, who are gender questioning, who are thinking about their sexuality, might be bisexual or pansexual, or just want someone who's not their parent to talk to really kind of a professional outside of their family system to relate to and can help. We help teenagers who are low in self-esteem build lifelong self-worth tools to attract healthy, meaningful friendships for not only college years, but also in romantic relationships. We help teenagers feel authentic being themselves and kind of let go of the need to be liked or the need to be perfect. So So if you're looking for help for your teenager or even for your family, we'd love to get started with a 30-minute phone consultation. You can do that by booking at wisdomwithinct.com. That's wisdomwithinct.com. And again, I hope you enjoyed this little self-soothe kit. You can make your own right at home with a few things to help your teenager release negative emotions in healthy, holistic, and self-loving ways. Again, you can book a phone consultation to get your teen started at wisdomwithinct.com. We're a team of 6 marriage and family therapists that love helping families thrive.